In this video, we'll run through our picks for the best WordPress forum plugins for building a community, and you'll learn how to decide on the forum plugin that's best for your site. Let's get started. There are several things you should consider when choosing a forum plugin. First, you need to think about its usability. Forums can get really complicated with a lot of different features, functions, and styles, so you want a plugin that has a lot of features, but it isn't too complicated to use. Next, you'll want to think about speed. Potentially, you're about to add a lot more pages and content to your site, so you'll want to make sure the plugin doesn't slow your site down. You'll want to think about customization options. No doubt, you want your forum to look like it belongs on your site in terms of its style and function, so make sure that you're getting a forum plugin that has the options you need. You'll also want to make sure that it's user-friendly. People won't stick around on your forum if it's not user-friendly, so make sure it's easy to use and mobile-friendly as well. And lastly, think about the extras. Are there any specific options that you need for your forum, like conducting polls, sending push notifications to users, or uploading files and images? So be sure to check out the plugin's features before you install a plugin. Now let's look at the best WordPress forum plugins that can help you build an online community. Number one on our list is bbPress. bbPress is one of the top WordPress forum plugins. What makes bbPress one of the best plugins is it was developed by the company behind WordPress Automatic. It's well-maintained, it's customizable, works well with any WordPress theme, it's lightweight and fast, it's user-friendly, you can select from over 200 add-ons so you can easily customize your forum, and it's secure, open source, unlimited, and it's always free. BuddyPress is another plugin developed by Automatic, and it's often used alongside bbPress to turn your forum into a whole social community. With BuddyPress, you can add expanded profiles with activity streams, groups, private messaging, friendships, and more. While BuddyPress can be used on its own, it's really powerful when you pair it with bbPress. With BuddyPress, you can create custom profiles. Your users can manage their own emails, passwords, and email notifications. Users can create micro-communities using groups. Members can send private messages to each other, and you can turn on member and group activity streams. And like bbPress, BuddyPress is always free. SimplePress is a premium WordPress forum plugin with a long history of continuous development. It has a ton of features. It's user-friendly, it's easy to manage and secure, plus it has lots of add-ons, so you can customize the forum the way you want it. With SimplePress, you can allow post moderation, define signatures. It fully integrates with WordPress registrations and logins. It has a powerful permission system. You can create private and public forums. Plus, it has features that allow you to create SEO-friendly permalinks. It integrates easily with all-in-one SEO. It has its own private messaging system, and you can set up subscriptions. You can start with a free version and then get a premium add-on bundle starting at $199, or just purchase add-ons separately. ForumWP is another popular WordPress forum plugin that offers both free and pro versions. It's easy to use, it has a great design and great features. The free version includes all the standard features of a forum, including topics, replies, and user profiles, whereas the pro version adds some cool extras like subscriptions, bookmarks, and likes. ForumWP has features allowing you to create private, public, and hidden forums. You can select an icon and color for each forum. It has nested replies. User profiles include their forum history. Your users can subscribe to topics. It has bookmarks. You can use a module to mark topics as solved, and you can moderate posts. ForumWP's basic version is free. The pro version is $120 a year. wpForo is a free forum plugin with over 20,000 active installations and more than 300 5-star reviews. It's the only forum plugin on our list that provides you with options for your forum's layout design, and it combines its forum features with a comprehensive, modern-looking user profile system. The core version of wpForo has lots of features, and you can get paid add-ons to extend the functionality. With this plugin, you can choose between 4 different forum layouts. It easily integrates with BuddyPress. It includes a built-in cache. It has a responsive design and a built-in subscription system. Its drag-and-drop design makes the forum management easy. It has a built-in Anaspam and Acaspan integration. Plus, it has an advanced user profile system along with forum member ratings and badges. It's free with some available paid add-ons to get even more features. ForumEngine is not a WordPress plugin. Instead, it's an entire WordPress theme for your forum. So this option would work if you're planning to set up a new website. If you already have an established site and you're just looking for a forum plugin, then you'll want to choose a different option from our list. ForumEngine allows you to customize the colors, fonts, and style of your layout. You get a front-end editor, and it's optimized for mobile use. It's easy to use, it has user badges, plus widgets are available to customize the forum sidebar. ForumEngine is $49 per year. Asgaros Forum is a forum plugin with a more traditional forum design and feel. It's simple, lightweight, and has some great features. This plugin offers profiles and member lists, notifications and feeds, polls, reactions, options to approve, ban, and report users. You can assign moderators, grant permissions, and set up user groups. Like several other plugins we've covered, this plugin's free. WP Discussion Board is the last but certainly not the least WordPress forum plugin on our list. It works with any WordPress theme. It has 3 different layouts to choose from. It's focused on security, and it comes with a free version where you can create one board. With WP Discussion Board, you can set up specific user roles, require admin approval for activation of users, and restrict user access. WP Discussion Board has anti-spam protection. You can set up child boards. Users can subscribe to boards and follow topics, and you can upload media files. WP Discussion Board has a free version, or you can get even more features for $49 a year. And that's our list of the best WordPress forum plugins. We hope that this list helps you find the best one for your WordPress site. Monster Insights, you get the website stats that matter. See why over 3 million websites use us. If you're not already using Monster Insights, there's a discount link in the description. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, explainers, and helpful content like this. We'll see you next time.